Alex, a young man in his 20s, is playing on his Xbox in the basement and he's talking on his headset. He's having an excited time playing a video game.
Hey, everybody, are you ready to begin? Let's do it.
A few moments later, Jackie, his middle-aged mother, peeks into the room. She shakes her head and makes a face because the foul odor. She sprays air freshener. She continues talking on the phone. He just sleeps all day. He wakes up late, walks around the house, and then plays games. I'm tired of it. He goes into my kitchen when he's hungry and eats all my food. Then he goes back to the basement and stays up all night. He walks around like he owns the place. He doesn't work and he doesn't even pay rent. He needs to go.
Mom, I can hear you. That's so rude.
Jackie rolls her eyes and walks back to the living room. Anyways, thanks for listening to me. See you later. Jackie hands up the phone. Alex continues playing games and talks excitedly to his friends on his headset. A few hours later, he grabs the remote control and turns on the television. Suddenly, the doorbell rings. A few minutes pass and the doorbell rings again.
I'm busy, Mom. Can you get it?
Jackie walks to the front door with a broom in her hand. She looks through the peephole and then opens the door. A tall guest in a uniform and smiles and waves at her.
Hi, my name is Leslie and I'm from Pest Control. I heard you have a problem.
Yes, a big problem. Follow me. I'll show you where the activity is. Jackie walks into the basement and Leslie follows. Leslie tiptoes to the chair, grabs Alex and pulls him out of the house. Jackie beats Alex with a broom and as he leaves, okay, we can do this again. Jackie beats Alex with a broom as he leaves the house.
Mom, this is child abuse.
This is more abuse. This is more abuse.